Alright, today we're going to learn how to paint this little guy here in Metal Mayhem, my abstract style.
Alright, so the question of the day is, what is Dadaism?
Alright, let's run through the colors. Interactive, blue black. Interactive, titanium white. Let's get the party started.
So Dadaism is a movement that came up right after World War I, and it was a reaction against the brutal World War I impact at the time called the Great War, the war to end all wars. And there was so much bloodshed with the trench warfare and all this that all the artists kind of said there's no point to war, why did we go fight it, why did these people die? And you know, so Dadaism is really the rejection of art itself. And so by using simple objects like say a bicycle handle and a bicycle seat, you make a bullhorn like Picasso did. There were quite a few different famous artists in the Dada movement. Picasso was kind of a side artist and he only kind of dabbled in Dadaism. He's really known for Cubism, but that's the one that comes to the top of my head, right? So Marcel Duchamp, I think, was also in the Dadaist movement, as well as Surrealism, of course. But yeah, Dadaism is really a rejection of art because the artists felt guilty of this bourgeoisie art kind of led to why they went to World War I in the first place, so they had to form a whole new art movement that rejected traditional art. And that's the question of the day.
Alright, we just finished the painting. Let's take a closer look. So it has this nice blue-black with white mix-in. I did a pre-mix so you get the kind of gray version of it, so that gives a nice contrast. Overall, I kind of like this style. It's really nice, quick and dirty. There's only one color, so you're basically one color versus white or the pure color. It's very dark, maybe a little bit too dark. It should look a little better once we add that gloss varnish at the end to finish that off. And hopefully you guys like it. I like it. If you want to subscribe, you can subscribe below. And I'll see you in the next painting video. Thanks for watching, guys.